I've crocheted some keychains and I'm so excited to put them on my bags. Stay tuned for a roundup coming your way of free keychain amigurumi patterns designed by yours truly. Meanwhile, I've got to share with you these perfect summer bags that I just got. They're both from the heshe brand on Amazon. I got a leather satchel and also this shoulder bag. They're both so cute, versatile, and the quality and workmanship are amazing. You're not going to believe how affordable they are. You can go out wearing a hobo outfit like me and still look elevated. Same with the crossbody. They pair perfectly with a summer dress as well, and any outfit thanks to the minimalist design. They're both very spacious and perfect daily essential bags. The shoulder bag can actually be worn 3 different ways as a tote, shoulder, and crossbody bag, and I just love the slouchy look. Can't wait to wear it out this summer. Check out the product links in the description.